Greetings, family and friends. My name is Gloria Jean Blunt Johnson, the daughter of Curtis and Minnie B. Blunt, oldest grand of Arnett and Eloise Smith Sr. The fond memories of my grandparents will always be joyous, fun-filled, and loving. Memories of Charlie the horse, the pump for drawing water, a lot of laughing with some of my cousins on the back of Granddaddy's truck when he and Mama Ella would take us to town with them. Our memories that go hand in hand with our family history, heritage, and land deserves to be preserved, representing our grandparents' past, their children and grandchildren's present, and future of their great-grands and those greats yet to come. To keep one of our historic family sites and land for preservation in years to come, please join us in our efforts of fundraising. All benefits will go towards the reconstruction, remodeling of the original home belonging to our grandparents. Thank you for your support.